this. This is going to be a test run. I don't want to go through the whole thing again and lose audio. Okay, let's probably get an echo a little bit too. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to play Ultima 4, and what we want to do is go after the reagent called Nightshade. It's a very important reagent, and it's actually hidden in the game. There's a place where you can get it that no one tells you in the game how to find it. You just have to luck into it. It's elsewhere shown where to get it, but anyway, I kind of want to go through these two. My party's all ready to go to the Abyss. The Stygian Abyss is the last dungeon where you end the game. You finish the game. We have everything. We have all the runes, all the stones, spellbook, and candle. The 3-part key, which you get from. You have to find all the stones in the final dungeon, and then go to the dungeon altar rooms, which are all in the bottom of 4 particular dungeons. No, there's access to altar rooms in all 8 dungeons. Anyway, combine the stones on the altar room and the part of the key. You also need the horn, wheel, and skull to get into the. You need the horn, wheel, and skull to get to the Stygian Abyss, and then you need the Spellbook and Count to open the Stygian Abyss, and then you need the 3-part key once you get through the entire dungeon to finish the game. And there's a pop quiz at the end of the game. Anyway, so we got all these reagents, except for only 95 Nightshade and 90 Mandrake, because you can't buy those. You have to go find them. And I have my mixtures here. The whole key of this game is not, getting used to using magic. I mean, you can use magic to make the game a whole lot easier. We can spell, blink, cure, dispel, energy field, fireball, gate, heal. Ice ball, which is useful against fire-based enemies. Kill spell. L is the light spell. M, magic missile, which is not great. N is negate magic, which stops all magic. O is open. P is protection. Q is quickness. R is resurrect. S is sleep, which is very useful for in combat situations. U is undead. It scares away skeletons and ghosts. V is view. It's like a poor man's gate or pier to gem. W is wind. It changes the wind direction. X, Y, and Z are exit. Y up and Z down for navigating dungeons. Anyway, how I've got my guy he's a mage. As you can see, he's maxed out strength, intelligence, and dexterity. He has a magic wand, which is a missile weapon, the best weapon in the game. You can buy it right here right here at Buccaneer's Den, where we're at. Mystic robe for armor. That's the top armor you can get. Then we have Katrina, who is a shepherd, a level 1 shepherd. she's weak, she's clumsy, and she's pretty dumb, and she's topped off with these 92 Molotov cocktails. She's the J. Anyway, so then we got Dupre. So this is broken down. It's a long explanation, but she has no magic powers. Dupre is going to have 50% magic. Anyway, he's using a magic axe, which is a missile weapon, and magic plate, because I like to change it up. I don't want everyone to have the same armor. Magic wand, that's again the top. Mystic robe is really good. She's smart, and she's got 3/4 magic. Shimano uses the magic bow and Mystic robe. Jeffrey is the only loser who has to use a crossbow, because he can't use magic ranged weapons. He has to use either a crossbow or use a melee weapon like a mystic sword. Julia can use a magic axe and chainmail. Arlo can use magic bow and mystic robe. And there you have it. That's everything. What I'm going to do is I am going to go on a quest for Nightshade. And I know approximately where it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to go east here for a little while. We don't want to go too far east. I'll figure out where we are. Okay, so that's Magentia, right? And we want to use magic as much as possible because it makes our lives so much easier. You know, we get slow progress every fourth attempt to sail forward. Okay, no, that's a vineyard actually. There's nothing on this island, but it in the the game text in the conversations it comes up as this is a vineyard. But family's vineyard. The guy I think in the Magentia talks about it. Anyway, we're just hitting P for a period of gem, and I think okay. So if you go directly north from here, you will find Mandrake Root. That's another video. So we don't want Mandrake Root though. We want to show you how to find the Nightshade, because Nightshade is super important. And if we get into a combat situation, which I hope we do, let's see. Here we go. Okay, now that's a that's a vortex. And this is the city of Vesper, which all the villages have something special going on. Vesper has a guild shop. Buccaneer's Den has a guild shop. And okay, so here we are. The important thing, look at the moons, okay? You won't find anything unless they're full. I'm just going to kind of leave them to SQ. Then we got some. See, we're maxed out. See, we can't get any more. 99 Nightshade, 90 Mandrake Root. So that's how it's done. That's how you do it. I was going to hopefully get into some kind of a combat situation. So I can kind of narrate what goes on in combat. But maybe we'll do that in this video. I don't know. I think that Ultima IV is kind of ripe for video series, and I know there's a lot of walkthroughs with it. Here we go. Yeah, we're gonna attack this guy. We're gonna attack him first. Then I'm gonna cast the and Julia has this flaming oil, which I hope you'll be able to see this. Let's go over here. He can cast some spells too. It's kind of a waste to use them on works, but anyway. I want to show you the flaming oil. So what it does is it basically just casts a fire field. Alright, we got to enter the. So I'm just counting the squares in front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Let's try 8. I don't know if we can't go past it. But, oh, we got 6 experience points. So finally, she got some experience points. The thing is, the fire field is going to persist, so that if that troll up there decides to walk into the fire field, he's going to take damage. But the thing is that Katrina isn't going to rack up experience points just because the troll, just because he decided to walk into the fire field. Let's see if he does it. He might not. Oh, and this guy's still asleep. Okay, let's just go forward. Fighting orcs is really boring. I mean, you could just do this without using any magic and just kind of grind through it, but I think it's more fun to actually use magic and play the game. And we're going to end this encounter. 3. Well, she missed, but it doesn't matter because it's going to do damage to him anyway. Right? We just pass him ready. Oh, there we go. He's taking damage. You don't have to do anything. Okay? Oh, I want to show you one more thing. This guy. We do this, we cast an undead spell, and they are going to flee. Check it out. Good half of them are flee. There's not that many of them to begin with, but yes, undead and skellies. So they're just gonna run away. Watch. Goodbye. Okay. So it's that easy. Anyway, I'm gonna stop recording. And have a nice day. Thank you.